Hey folks, so this is Schatz, and let me help you with problem 7 and 8. We always drop down a perpendicular right here. We always drop down a perpendicular right here. And we went over 6 and up 3. Well, when we square 6 and 3, you get 36 plus 9. That gives you the square root of 45. So the hypotenuse is the square root of 45. And if we want the sine, well, then we want 3, the opposite side over the hypotenuse, and that comes out to this decimal right there. And again, everything in the first quadrant. All students take classes. All of these are positive. Every one of these is positive in the first quadrant. Just the sine, just the tangent, and just the cosine in quadrant 3. So I'm using this for an x and y axis. We go to problem 8. We go over 8 and down 7. 8 squared plus negative 7 squared, that gives you square root of 113. And we ask for the cosine. So we know theta, we know theta is right here. This is adjacent over hypotenuse. That gives you 0.75257. And when we round up the 4 decimal places, 0.7526. There you go, folks. That's how I got answers 7 and 8 to 9.5a.